In this video, let's solve few problems regarding the prefix code. The first one, consider the prefix code where the sequence A is 111, B is 0, C is 1100, D is 1101, and E is 10. And using this code, we need to decode the following sequences. Here, these two are the given sequences. We need to decode the sequence by using the above codes. And here, if you consider the first digit or a first value or element, it is 1, but 1 is not matched with any of the code. So if you consider 10, then it can be replaced with E. It can be decoded as E. Next we have 0, that is, this is 1, 10 is E and 0 is B, and 111 can be replaced with A, and finally we have 1101 is replaced with B. So the equivalent decoded format for the first sequence is EBAD, and the second one we have 1101 is directly replaced with D because we don't have any prefix as 11 or 110, hence we have considered 4 digits, so that is equivalent to D. Next we have 111, which is replaced with A, and 1100 is replaced with C, and finally left out with 10, and it is replaced with E. So these two are the decoded format for the given two sequences. So let's move on to the next problem. So the next problem is a code for A, B, C, D, E is given by A is 00, B is 01, C is 101, D is X10, and E is YZ1. And here we have a sequence A00. There is no problem with that. B is 01, C is 101. But for the D, we don't know the value of X. And also in the sequence E, we don't know the value for Y and Z. So we need to find the values X, Y, Z. And also we need to assure it will be the prefix code. Here the values for X and Y should be, X, Y, Z should be selected from 0, 1 only, the set of 0, 1. Either it can be 0 or it can be 1. So let's find out for X. So we have D, X, 1, 0. If we put X is equal to 0, then the sequence becomes 1, 1, 0. Sorry, 0, 1, 0. If you put X is equal to 0, then sequence becomes 0, 1, 0. But here the value B, that is the sequence 01, will becomes a prefix for the D for the value of X is equal to 0. Hence we can't consider X is equal to 0. Next, if you put X is equal to 1, then D becomes 1, 1, 0. And if we observe, there is no prefix like, there is no sequence like 1 or 11 or 110. Hence we can consider X is equal to 1. Next, let's have E, that is YZ1. If we consider Y is equal to 0, that is first case, and Z is equal to 0, then E becomes 0, 0, 1. But if we observe the sequence here, A, which becomes A is 0, 0, which becomes the prefix for E. Hence we can't consider Y is equal to 0 and Z is equal to 0. Next, if we consider Y is equal to 0 and Z is equal to 1, then E becomes 0, Z is equal to 1, so 0, 1, 1. And if you observe the sequence, given sequence, here the B value is 0, 1, which will become a prefix for E, hence we can't consider this case also. Next, Y is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 0, then E becomes 1, 0, 1. If you observe the given sequence, then this prefix will be same as C, that is 101. Hence, we can't consider this value also. Next, we will have y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. Then E becomes 1, 1, 1. And if we observe, there is no sequence like 1, 1, 1, or any of the given sequence will not be the prefix of this E. Hence, we can consider y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. And the given sequences will become A is 0, 0, B is 0, 1, C is 1, 0, 1, D is x value is 1, right? So 1, 1, 0, and E is y value is 1 and z value is 1. So 1, 1, 1. And here all the sequences are different, and any of the sequences are not going to be a prefix for any other sequences. Hence, it is a prefix code. So this finished with this problem. Let's move on to the next one. Construct the binary tree that represents the prefix code P, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. So here for the given prefix code, we need to construct the binary tree. So let's have a name, that is 0. We will label 0, 0 as A and 0, 1 as B and 1, 0, 1 as C and 1, 1, 0 as D and 1, 1, 1, 1 as E. So let's start with the root node. So here A is having 2 elements. So both are zeros. Hence both will be the left children only. So 0, 0, 0, 0, where we'll have A. Next we have 0, 1. So again it will be 0 and 1. It will be 0, 1 and it will be B. Next we have 1, 0, 1. So as it is the element 1, it will be the right child 1, again left 0 and again right 1. So 1, 0, 1, which is C. Next we have D, that is 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and again left 1, 1, 0, which is D. Next we have E, that is traverse as 1, 1 and finally 1. So we will have E. So here again the highest length of the given sequence is 3. Here also we have 3, 3, 3. Hence the levels will be, it is the root, that is 0 level, level 1, level 2 and finally we have level 3. At the level 3 we have C, D, E because the length is 3. So C value is 101, D value is 110 and E value is 111 and A value is 00, B value is 01. So this is how we need to construct the binary tree for the given prefix code. So these are also some of the problems that comes under the prefix code. Thank you.